Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons, the apprentices, the trade. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It's going to be a long journey, but we all know it's going to be worth it because plumbing ain't going nowhere. And for today's adventure, we're going to finish up hooking up the 4 package units down south and making them mega press connections. So we'll see you on the rooftop. The piecework gone this way, get the good measurement, you know. So, give me a piece, 8.5. I'll wait for you done. Probably half an inch. See if I'm going to say 26. Let's see what this says. 26.5? 26.25. Knock off a quarter. What's that? Yeah. Let's see what we got. Good to me. Probably could have kept it the same. Might as well plug me in. I'll press it up real quick. Maybe yeah, 2 pair of pliers. I'm going to straighten out this cut and gas down. See how it's crooked? Yeah.
Out of 10.
I say good. Yeah, baby. That beats pipe wrenches. Alright, CB. Moving on. Maybe it's an optical illusion over here. What's your piece?
10 1/4.
10.5. I just want to make sure this riser's straight. not even in there. The bottom one? Yeah, the bottom one, right?
First.
Huh?
I did it first.
Alright. The bottom is 90. The bottom one? Did you do that one just now?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Here's some on with our super long thread. That?
It's kind of hard for it. Well, we're gonna need the.
Yeah. We're gonna need the 1-inch die.
Can I grab it?
Yeah. $12 inch. End of the run, CB. I said 12, but now I'm thinking 11 3/4. 11 3/4. In the meantime, let me get this reducer right here. I still am amazed by the pure power of Pro Mega Press and Ridgid. Come on, CB. Chop, chop. CB is... What is CB today? CB's a little foggy. Alright. Here we go. Last measure. Oh, CB, I think I messed up. Short. Looks short to me. I don't know. It could be an optical illusion again. 19 3/4. Right? Let me double check. Measure twice, cut once. Yes, 19 3/4. Between the Ridgid Pro Press, the Ridgid Dry Cut Saw, the 614, this roof job has been very nice. The tools made it, for sure. Come on, CB. I think that piece is good, Chuck. It's the swing joint that's making it look crooked. CB2 with another fine cut. Come on, CB2. Today. Oh, today's ute. Today's ute. You know what a ute is?
How much of communion you are?
Let's see how good my measurements are. CB, I like it. Press it up, dog. It's all you. Make it look pretty. Shine. Oh, here, I'll hold this one here. Boom. I'll give you the right angle. I did the 1 inch already. It's going to take it where it wants to take it, I can tell you that. It, man. Wow. We're just going to double check everything here. This was our only 2-inch threaded joint, and it made me realize how much I love Mega Press. Everything was hurting. My elbows, my shoulders, and that was off of 3 joints tightening. So I appreciate you, Ridgid. I appreciate you, Viega. We got a unique situation. We're just doing the gas lines, and the HVAC guy's gonna come back and test the units. But what I want to do is get all the air out of the system. How about a little gas? Smell it, Chucky? Give me the cap. Come on. Quit being
Threw it on the
soft.
ground.
Give me the pipe joke. You know what I meant.
Cool. Oh, mine later.
You should know my next move. Putting the cap back, which requires what? Some dope. What you can do
Save
is...
some for the next job, see like.
It's bad. So I'm going to bleed all these. And I did notice that on the chop saw, a lot of fragments. So we definitely got the drip tees in correctly. And I talked about it before. This is what I meant. Look, any fragments come up and over, they're going to go straight down to the dirt leg. Also called a drip tip. Alright, CB? Now what we could do, give me the bubbles. We'll test our union, because because I didn't pipe dope none of these unions. A lot of times you can put pipe dope on the union, so you ain't gotta kill yourself. Hit that union. A lot of times you put pipe dope on the seal, okay? And we look good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shut this off. We're good. We'll do all three like that. So go ahead and do that. I'll do these 3 units. I'll light the heater and the hot water heater, and then we're done upstairs. Come on. Let's bleed them out, CB. Oh yeah. There goes some gas, Jack. Yeah, I like it. Come on, CB. Anyway, this is it, man. All right, we are ready for the HVAC guy, huh, CB? CB's struggling right now. Oh, these young kids. You just want to smack them, don't you? CB, how funny am I today? Hold on. How many plumbers out there, like myself, just want to smack their apprentice? Especially their son. Come here. Yes, we're going to bleed out the air from the gas line. Give it some flow. Oh. I love that sound. Give me a cigarette. Oh, that's right, I don't smoke. CB, who's having fun today? Who don't love plumbing today? Huh? Come on, CB. Oh, yeah.